Arvinder Singh Lovely, the Delhi Congress chief, tendered his resignation on Sunday, citing significant interference by the party's general secretary in charge and the contentious alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi. In his resignation letter addressed to Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge, Lovely expressed feeling handicapped and unable to effectively lead the Delhi Congress unit. Highlighting numerous instances of discord, Lovely outlined objections raised by several party leaders regarding the conduct of Deepak Babaria, the Congress's General Secretary in charge for Delhi. Despite these objections, Lovely faced immense pressure to dismiss the dissenting leaders who opposed Babaria's approach. Furthermore, Lovely underscored Delhi Congress's resistance to the alliance with AAP, emphasizing the party's objection to aligning with the group known for baseless corruption allegations against the Congress. Feeling unable to uphold the party's principles and protect the interests of its members, Lovely made the difficult decision to step down from his position as president of the Delhi Congress unit. Arvinder Singh Lovely mentioned the Congress's alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party in Delhi, which he said the entire state unit was against. The Delhi Congress unit was against forming an alliance with a party which was formed on the sole basis of levelling false, fabricated and malified corruption charges against the Congress party, and in turn whose half of the cabinet ministers are in jail on corruption charges, he wrote in his resignation letter. Lovely said that even then, when the alliance was formed, he respected the party's decision and ensured the Delhi Congress unit was in line with the High Command's decision. I even went to the extent of visiting Mr. Kejriwal's residence on the night of his arrest, Arvinder Singh Lovely added. As part of the Congress AAP alliance, 3 Lok Sabha seats were allocated to the Grand Old Party. However, Arvinder Singh Lovely asserted that 2 of these seats, namely the Northwest and Northeast constituencies, were assigned to individuals he described as total strangers. Udit Raj was nominated as the Congress AAP joint candidate for Northwest Delhi, while Kanhaiya Kumar was chosen to contest from the Northeast seat. The announcement of Raj and Kumar as candidates sparked widespread discontent among Delhi Congress leaders and workers, leading to uproar and protests. Despite efforts to calm the situation, Lovely revealed that Deepak Babaria, the Congress's General Secretary in charge for Delhi, pressured him to expel the dissenting leaders. Babaria reportedly engaged in heated exchanges with them on multiple occasions, exacerbating the internal tensions within the party. Furthermore, Lovely mentioned disrespectful and derogatory remarks by Udit Raj and also bites given to the media by Kanhaiya Kumar. He slammed Kumar for falsely praising the Delhi Chief Minister in direct contravention of the party line and the local party workers' beliefs. Since I cannot protect the interests of the party workers, I see no reason to continue in the said post, Lovely wrote in his resignation letter. Arvinder Singh Lovely served in several ministerial roles under former Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit. In April 2017, he joined the BJP, but after a short stint of 9 months, he moved back to the Congress in February 2018.